So here we are, we're floating down the Colorado River. We have a camping spot, camping permit for tonight. It's been an interesting day already. Getting all this together, getting it going. Camped last night in the state park. So now hopefully nothing else goes wrong. And our boat doesn't deflate or nothing happens and we make it to Westwater, Utah, okay. But it's certainly beautiful. It's very peaceful. There's nobody around right now at all. And I'm just chilling. The river's carrying me along. So why would I do something like this? Like just come out to the middle of nowhere with all of my gear and float down the river and get sunburnt and eat sandwiches for 2 days. What am I doing here? You know, that's actually kind of a good question. Why would I drag all my nice camera gear out in the middle of the river? And I think I just wanted to see if I could. There's a bunch of hikes in Colorado and other places where they're overnight hikes. So it's day 2, my friends. We slept in a tent last night. We're pretty much out of food except for Triscuits. Triscuits are our only source of nutrition at this point. Running out of water. Got about I don't know, 1.5 quarts water left. But fortunately, this should be it. This should be today should be the last day, maybe, I don't know, 3-4 hours I'm hoping. We'll be down the river and to our car, and we're a little bit sunburnt, we're a little bit hungry, we're a little bit thirsty, but I think we're gonna make it. So the river ranger was kind enough to give me a gallon of water. I had to put it in my own container, but that water is literally a lifesaver. It turns out there's 14 more miles to go, and once again my only food is Triscuits, but you gotta have a lot of water to eat Triscuits. So yeah, it made a big difference. I was down to like my last quart of water. So thank you, BLM Park Ranger, appreciate it. once again, the main challenge today is not getting sunburned and staying hydrated. I actually put sunblock on today, which I didn't do yesterday, because I usually don't like to put on sunblock, but out here, you need everything you can get. The sun's pretty merciless out here. Gorgeous day though. Hot. Probably hotter sitting in the sun like this, but absolutely beautiful. Weather's, to be honest, pretty much ideal. You wouldn't want much colder or much warmer than this.